Okay, we're at 1010 Wilkinson Street, Quadruplex, here in Millersville, Georgia. Alright. What's that? The whole roof? Why you think?
All the plywood it needs, and rafters here and there. Look at this angle you see. Yep.
Yeah, I see that.
Alright,
Yep.
right here too. I mean, the rafters are weak.
Okay. So we can just go in there and make them strong or replace them.
Yeah, hopefully it's just some of them.
Okay.
Sometimes you can go in and place one in, or it could be the screws or the nails. It could be anything.
Okay. I got
It
you.
could have been framed wrong.
Alright. Yeah, I see that dip in
Don't
there.
look like no water damage or anything.
Yeah.
Unless people been up there.
Okay. He said one of these buildings already been electrical been ran already.
That's good from up there.
Let's see. Alright. My main thing, we gotta figure out some, okay, like right here, I was thinking about cleaning this area out for parking. You know what I mean?
At least for them first two ones.
Yeah. And maybe clean out an area over there for parking too as well. Huh?
I said they ain't got no lines going to it.
Yeah, I was thinking you probably have to have a temporary pole sit out here or something. Yes, I see those dips in that roof. Yep. Yeah, I think the property stops where that tree line is right there. Yeah. I don't like this color.
Seems like the foundation sinking in until you get down here. So it might just be me looking down here. Or no, it's going down here.
Yep. So it should be on a slab, shouldn't it?
It's on the slab.
Yep. So we're looking at new windows in the back here. Yeah, fixing all that right there. Yeah, I see where these boards are. This plywood here. Causing all these.
It was just built like that, man. It's got a step down in the foundation. It's got to. Right where you're standing, so it ain't sinking none. But this right here is a big issue. If it's going to be something, you need to divert the water. You need to put some gutters up, you can send it somewhere else.
Yeah, got no water.
Build
Sure.
this shit up with more dirt and push it that way.
Okay.
Because it's definitely going to take some grading. This right here will cause a big problem. I'm surprised it ain't. It looks like they stepped down though over here. Because I don't see no crack in the wall.
Mm-hmm.
And the debris is just
Right.
Sink extracts the water.
Right.
But right there's your step down. It's like about a foot.
So right in here.
Yeah. You probably step down right there, and then step down again right there. Another 6 inches, 6 and 6.
So we gotta divert the water.
Yeah, definitely got to push it somewhere else.
Yeah. That's gonna make it worse.
And this right there, you're definitely gonna need to rig that roof on.
Yeah. I see.
To me, it looks like the only thing good is that the foundation so far and the exterior. I mean, the walls are still standing.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what the lumber looks like on the inside, but it just looks like it's a solid structure.
It's got gas, so I think we're gonna go back with total electric.
You probably do the bare minimum with the water. You probably just build this or knock this down some. You're gonna have to build this up some.
Yeah.
Build it up to where it does this.
So we do that with concrete.
Dirt. You can do it with dirt.
Cause I was thinking about making that, like a parking spot area right here.
You're gonna do it with gravel. Put you some French drains in before it gets to the house.
Mhm.
Dig you a ditch right here.
Mm-hmm.
Put you some drains in and fill everything up with gravel. And just run it. That's your cheapest route.
Yeah.
Run another drain down the side to where it all pushes out this way.
All right. You think we can do the gravel situation on that end for parking too?
Yeah, definitely. That's better on that end. I think it's got concrete over there.
Okay.
I think it's slab. It's just all that dirt. Well, the dirt will fill up all that shit.
Okay.
Through time for the rain.
All right. Yeah, we got to give it some curve appeal.
See, the roof didn't really get bad until it started like, I mean, you see a little bit right there,
Yeah.
but it starts like right here and it starts getting real.
Starts dipping in.
Yeah, see, it's bad right there. These burr boxes, they're all messed up because there's nowhere for the water to go. It's just leaking on them. There ain't no drip edge, there ain't nothing right there.
So around the edge of the house right here.
Yeah, all this stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Somebody recently.
Around these fascia board.
Yeah, definitely gonna need new facing. All that stuff's gonna come off.
Uh-huh.
At least from that first, there's 4 apartments.
Yeah, 4.
I thought I said 3.
No, it's 4.
All right, from the first one,
Mm-hmm.
or not the first one, but at the second one, starting at the second one,
Mm-hmm.
on down, that roof's gonna have to be replaced.
From the second one on down.
So, I mean, if you're that far in it, might as well go ahead and do the 4th one.
I got you. All right.
That'd be the most expensive thing right there.
The roof. And you say we can gravel this part right in, make us parking spaces back here. I don't know.
Like another apartment there.
All right, I think this is the way out here. Yeah, it's another apartment. So let me ask, what can we do as far as landscaping?
That concrete concreted up all the way over here. Can't really tell, it's so filled in.
Can't tell, huh? Till you clean it off, huh?
You talking about with just the grass, or you talking about the grade as well?
Grading it too as well, you know, with huh?
Put some out here with a skid steer to mess around with. I mean, it's not gonna take much.
Mm-hmm.
Not a lot of dirt, and it's all soft, so
Mm-hmm.
I would add some dirt to it though. In certain areas, especially back here,
Mm-hmm.
where all that water is just rushing in at. Create a drainage system to push it on out. The grass would be pretty easy to get rid of.
Mm-hmm.
But you're definitely gonna want some type of drainage system put in.
Okay.
Otherwise, I mean, if y'all are renting out or
Then we're gonna keep it to rent.
yeah, then definitely put some drainage system.
Okay.
Otherwise, 10, 15, 20 years down the road, you're gonna be having more problems.
Yeah.
This thing looks like it's been standing for a minute though.
Mm-hmm. I think it was built in the 60s.
Yeah, so it looks like it was pretty solid.
Mm-hmm.
This has been redone over time.
Yep. Yep. The last time this property sold was in 2003, 300K. Yep.
I don't see where they patched holes or cracks or anything like that.
Okay. Yeah, we got to give us some curve appeal. You know, do some of these front porches here. Make them look nicer. I hate this color. I can't do the green. I mean,
Might just need to be braced, man.
what?
The ceiling? The rafters?
Yeah.
Oh.
But you don't know until you get
In there?
Yeah.
I see damage on the other side. I just don't see it on this side.
Yeah. Okay, he got it open over here.
I think all the roofs are open.
That makes it easier, don't it? You able to see what you got. So approximately, what you thinking?
I have to sit there and run some numbers.
Just off your head. I mean, you know.
Off my head, you're looking 60 to 100.
100K? I had figured 60.
Depends on what end you're going on. I think it's all got separate electrical, so all that's going to be a separate ticket with an electrician doing it. Your plumbing, you ain't got no plumbing running to it. So that's going to be a nice little.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. Yeah. No plumbing running to it. Okay.
None of the electricals in. We already sat there. We fitted them old wires out. A new panel, all type of stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Just to bring it up to code. The plumbing up, it's a solid foundation, so I imagine they ain't got to send new pipes or anything like that. They'll have to snatch old pipes out, or if possibly hooked to them. That's probably cast iron or whatever it is.
So probably go back with PVC or something like that.
Yeah, PVC, it'll run to. They'll probably take that out. They definitely ain't gonna go on no old stuff like that. This right here. And more than likely, they'll probably cut it off and fill that hole up. I have no idea what all this other stuff is. I just don't know what it is. I might need plumbing or something too.
Yeah, I knew it was gonna need a bit of work done to it to get her, looking nice or whatever.
And you can bare minimum thing because it's an apartment. It's basic paint, basic sheetrock.
Mm-hmm.
Your electrical, your plumbing, and that roof is going to be the most expensive thing. Plumbing might not even be too bad.
How much you thinking about just on the roof alone?